It's late April 2020. The days are getting longer and the weather has been wonderful in what must be the most beautiful spring I can remember. 5 weeks ago we entered a lockdown as the COVID-19 pandemic swept through the country. For many, it's not been a happy experience. I must confess to feeling guilty when I tell you how much I'm enjoying this period of quietude and calm. My busy life has ground to a halt, and although my beloved mountains are out of bounds, I am truly blessed. On a remote Snowdonia hill farm, I've taken this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get closer to nature, commune with the beasts that roam here, and reflect on my privileged position. As a landscape photographer, I'm incredibly fortunate to be able to carry on while others can't. Without straying more than a kilometre from home, I've been able to explore hidden corners, discover new viewpoints and be still in a landscape to which I've dedicated my life. When this is all over, and one day it will be, I will rejoice at the return of friends and family to this precious place. Isolation can be good for the soul, but ultimately, people need people. Stay safe, everybody.